Hello guys, welcome back. Today we'll see what's the difference between static and dynamic attributes or directives. So we need to understand the difference between static and dynamic attributes. So static attributes are fixed CSS class. You cannot toggle it. But dynamic are not fixed classes. These classes can be applied dynamically. Like you can apply a single class or multiple classes. So, for example, I have class and style. You might have used these two in most of your HTML code. HTML code. So, class and style are static in nature. So, only one property can be applied, which is fixed. Like for example, you have div style is equal to color red. So here you are seeing that color red is fixed. You cannot change it again, right? Once you apply it, it is red. You cannot change it dynamically. So it is static. And similarly div class button primary, so button primary is nothing but a bootstrap class. So this class is fixed. You're saying this is fixed, you cannot change it. But when you say class dot act, like you can give any class you want, you are controlling it with a boolean value. Like it is dynamic. If active is false, it will be inactive. If active is true, it will be active. So but here disadvantage is you can only pass one value, that is dynamic. And style, similarly style dot color. So here you are saying you can pass only color. You can't pass anything other than color. But in the last video we saw ngStyle, where you saw that I'm passing color as well as font family, and you can pass anything. So it is multiple, so that's why I have referred it as dynamic and multiple for ngStyle. So ngClass is similar to that, but here we don't apply our own CSS, we apply CSS or bootstrap. So please note that class and style are static, and once you apply something to that HTML, you cannot change it again. It is static. If you want some dynamic value and you want only one property to be manipulated, then you can choose this you can give any class name, style.property, you can give any property name. So here I've chosen style dot color. So color, you can say style dot font family or something. You can you can pass only one property. But if you want to pass multiple properties, then you should choose ngClass or ngStyle. But there is a catch. ngClass can be applied only for inbuilt CSS bootstrap classes. But if you want to build your own CSS property, then you can choose ngStyle, and it accepts an object as well, similar to ngClass. So you can give whatever properties CSS properties you want, you can pass it to ngStyle. So these are dynamic and multiple. So summary, class or style are static. If you want static and fixed values, use class or style. If you want dynamic and only if you want to pass only one simple condition, then you can use class and style. And ngClass and ngStyle, if you want more complex or multiple conditions based scenario where you need dynamic values, you can use ngClass or ngStyle. So I hope you have understood. Just go through some examples on this. I think you have already used class and style most of the time when you're writing HTML code. Class and style also, I think you have used some attributes in some of your Angular code. ngClass and ngStyle also. These are very important because most of your Angular code will have this. So just go through it. I have already covered ngClass and ngStyle in the previous videos, so you might have a better understanding on it. So note that ngClass is for dynamic, multiple, and it is for CSS bootstrap classes. ngStyle is for your own CSS. So that's it. I hope you have understood. Thank you.